ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, let me to come across few more problems. ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ನೋಡೋಣ. We shall end off the exercise 3.3. That is to say problems on trigonometric functions and different types of formulas. In a 4-5 lecture, then we shall finish it after this session. One more 4 lecture. Okay? Now, look at the first one now. Tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x minus 1 into 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus 6 tan square x into tan plus tan to the power of 4x. Now, let me to write tan 4x as tan of 2 into 2x. Tan of 2 into 2x. Tan 2x in formula goes away. That is a very important result, of course. But tan 2x के formula ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. This is a formula, of course, right? Previous multiple angles ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Therefore, tan 2 into 2x. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ x value is 2x ಇರ್ತದೆ. So this should be equal to 2 tan x. X ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? 2x divided by 1 minus tan square 2x. What I am doing here? Where there is 2x, x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 2x ಇರ್ತದೆ. x ಇರುತ್ತೆ 2x ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Now substitute for tan 2x now. 2 into tan 2x formula ಏನಪ್ಪ? 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Whole divided by 1 minus of tan square 2x. 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Shall I simplify further? 2 into 2 tan x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 tan x numerator ನಲ್ಲಿ divided by 1 minus tan square x. 1 minus tan square x all divided by 1 minus 2 tan x whole square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 tan square x ಇರುತ್ತೆ divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. 1 minus tan square x whole square. Can you simplify the denominator? Denominator ಮಾತ್ರ simplify ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Numerator na keep that as it is. 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದನ್ನೇನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. all divided by. Now what is your LCM? 1 into 1 minus tan square x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x all divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. I will shift this to the numerator. Divided by the numerator shift ಮಾಡೋಣ. 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole divided by, like what is the big one more stage? A minus b whole square formula. A square 1 square is 1 plus b square tan square x whole square becomes tan to the power of 4x minus 2ab minus 2 into 1 into tan square x ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x as it is all divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. 1 minus tan square x whole square. Shall I simplify further? Simplification ಮಾಡಲಾ? Now, look at the numerator. 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x whole square. 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x into, right? Yes, 1 minus tan square x whole square numerator ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 minus tan square x whole square present in the numerator whole divided by 1 plus tan to the power of 4x as it is. 1 plus tan to the power of 4x minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x minus 6 tan square x. One of you, 1 minus tan square x cancel. Right? You already remind this should be is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x whole divided by 1 plus tan to the power of 4x minus 6 tan square x will be the correct answer. Right? That will be our answer. Tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus 6 tan to the power of 4x minus 6 tan square x will be the required answer. Right? Okay. Now we should take two more problems. Just take a screenshot and write down these things. Okay. Now let me look at two more. I want to find or I want to prove that cos 4x and cos 6x ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Let me solve those two things. Alright, before that look at the idea now. Cos 4x ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಬರೀತೀರಾ. Cos 4x can be written as cos twice the value of 2x, cos 2 theta. Formula ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos 2 theta ಗೆ 1 minus 2 sin square theta ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Use this relevant for ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, now what will happen? Therefore cos 2 into 2x is equal to 2 into x, 2x, 1 minus 2 sin square x and rest apart 2x. Right? Look at your 1 minus 2 sin square 2x is nothing but sin 2x whole square. 1 minus 2 into sin 2 theta formula 2 sin theta into cos theta whole square. Can you simplify further? 1 minus 2, 2 square and rest apart 4 sin square x into cos square x. Multiply this 2, that will be final answer. 1 minus 2 into 400, 8 sin square x cos square x. That is your required answer. 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. That's all. Shall I look at one more? Cos 6x. Shall I write cos 6x as cos 3 thrice the value of 2x? Cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta formula. Cos 3 theta is equal to formula 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. This is a formula, we know that. Multiple angles can be covered. Therefore, cos 3 into 2x is equal to 4 cos cube 2x minus 3 cos 2x. This is the thing now. Got it? Right? So, ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು cos 2x ಗೆ 2 cos square x minus 1 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. Where there is cos 2x, use that formula. Therefore, cos 3 into 2 becomes 6x is equal to 4 cos cube 2x. Cos 2x understood 2 cos square x minus 1 whole cube minus 3 times of cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? ನಾನು cos 2x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 2 cos square x minus 1 ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ? ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ cos ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 4 into, now right, make use the formula a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube formula a cube 2 cos square x whole cube a cube minus b cube minus b cube minus 3ab, 3 a is the part 2 cos square x into b, 3ab into a minus b, 2 cos square x minus 1. Got it? So now I am making use a minus b whole square, a cube minus b cube minus 3a into b, a minus b minus 3 into 2 cos square x. Let me simplify later. When I simplify, keep that as it is now. Right? Now shall I simplify? 4 times of 2 cube 8 cos square x whole cube, cos 2 3 is a 6x, cos 2 3 is a 6x, cos cube x minus 1 cube on the step of 1 minus 3 into 2 6 cos square x into 2 cos square x minus 1 minus of 3 into 2 cos square x minus 1. Keep that as it is. So just I am simplifying this. 4 times of 8 cos cube to the power of 6x as it is minus 1. Minus into plus minus 6 into 2 12 cos square x into cos square x and cos to the power of 4x. Minus into minus plus 1 into 6 cos square x and 6 cos square x. Got it? Then minus 3 2s are 6 cos square x minus into minus plus 3. So I want to end up this bracket with this one. Simplify further now, right? Can I simplify it now, right? 3 6 into 2 12 minus into minus plus 4 into multiply ಮಾಡೋಣ 4 into 32 cos to the power of 6x. Hopefully you are looking at the answer. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4 plus into minus minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ 48 cos to the power of 4x, 48 cos to the power of 4x plus into plus plus 24 cos square x minus 6 cos square x plus 3. Can you simplify further? Light terms matra simplify. First 6 is the highest term, hage barkale 32 cos to the power of 6x. Next 4 minus 48 cos to the power of 4x. Next square plus 24 minus 6 plus 18 cos square x ಉಳಿದಿರುತ್ತೆ. minus 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ plus 3 ಹೋದ್ರೆ minus 1. Look at the answer. 32 cos to the power of 6x minus 48 cos to the power of 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. This is the required answer, right? Okay, thank you. Hope you did understand all these things now, right? So now in sessions in the last few sessions we solved so many problems. Sakashtu problems solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. Okay, so as long as we consider trigonometric functions ಮತ್ತೆ allied angles, compound angles, multiple, submultiple, transformation formulas, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಸಿ maximum type of problems solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? So in the next sessions I have to continue with the trigonometric equations solve ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ submultiple angles ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ submultiple angle ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ನ ನಾನು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪಿ ಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು submultiple angles ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ I will show that, right? So by showing that I will end up this session. Just write down these things. ಇದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ first and I will finish it in the later. Right. Look at the things now. What the multiple angles? ನಾನು ಏನೇನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸಮ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 2a ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. We know that sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a into cos a is one of the formula. And remember, sin 2a is also is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? And what is the formula for cos 2a? We have got 3 before results now, right? Cos 2a formula cos square a minus sin square a ಒಂದು. Cos 2a is also is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1 ಒಂದು. Cos 2a is also is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a ಒಂದು. And cos 2a is also is equal to 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Remember, this will be a very important result for competitive examinations. All competitive exams are important results. By using those two, I can get these two things. Now look at this. This is very important. 1 plus cos 2a. 1 plus cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a. Important formula. 1 minus cos 2a is equal to 2 sin square a. This is the next important one. By using these two. And tan 2a one formula goto. Tan 2a is also is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. Half of the angle, half angle formula. Now, in all the cases, let me to substitute a is equal to a by 2. Put a is equal to a by 2. A irotralla a by 2 substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Now I will get a next set of formulas. Shall I write that? 2 sin a ಅಥವಾ sin 2 into a by 2. 2 cancel sin a ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. Equals RHS 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2. 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2. Look at the value. This is called as half of the angle. A ಇದೆ ಅದು ಅರ್ಧದಷ್ಟು angle ನ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So sin 2a, once again a ಇರುತ್ತೆ a by 2 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ sin a is also is equal to, can you read this one? 2 tan a by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square a by 2. 1 plus tan square a by 2. Right? Can you extend this result? Cos 2a becomes cos a is equal to cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ a ಇದೋ ಅಲ್ಲ a by 2 ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ cos a ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. Very good. Sin 2 cos a ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. And cos a is also is equal to 1 minus tan square a by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square a by 2. Right? For here, therefore, 1 plus cos a by 2 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 plus cos a ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 cos square a by 2. And what is the value of 1 minus cos a? 1 minus cos a is equal to 2 sin square a by 2. And what is tan a? Tan a is equal to 2 tan a by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square a by 2. Look at this. Remember, this is another very important list of formula. ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್. So I will consolidate ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ ನೋಡಿ. First trigonometric ratios, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, co-ratios, reciprocals, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಮೆಷರ್ಮೆಂಟು, theorems on radian measurement. Then we come across compound angles, multiple angles, standard angles, allied angles, transformation formula, multiples, submultiples, ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ನಾವು ಆಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದಿಷ್ಟೂ ಸಹ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. Okay, in the upcoming sessions let me to give you a few more ideas for the trigonometry, right? Thank you once again. Just if you want to read notes, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ you can refer to the YouTube channel ವಿಕಾಸ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ತುಮಕೂರು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ 1 ಟು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ 26, 27 ಅಥವಾ 28 ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ನಾವು, ರೈಟ್? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ನು ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ 2 ಸಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? Hope you did understand. And we shall continue few more problems or few more types in the upcoming sessions now, right? Thank you.